How to sign up GCash account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To sign up for GCash account, all you have to do is open up your Play Store or App Store to download the application. Firstly, search for GCash. Tap on the application and make sure to install it. If you have already, you can just tap on the Open button to open up your GCash application in your device. To sign up your GCash account, firstly, you need to enter your mobile number. Select the extension number according to your country or region, then tap on Next. You will receive an OTP code to verify your phone number of it. Once verified, you will get a chance to enter your MPIN. Make sure you never share this MPIN. This MPIN will help to recover your account, transfer money from your GCash account to another account as well. Isn't it simple? With some of the simple taps, you'll be able to sign up for a GCash account easily. That has brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.